नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today's topic is the complexes of the first transition series element and their coordination number and geometry. Okay, so the first transition series, which is a 3D, fulfill all the condition of complexes formation and thus are the most suitable for the this purpose. Okay, the general representation of the complexes is the ligand to metal bond. Okay, which is a coordinate covalent bond. Okay, here you can see the complex pair of metal and ligand. The arrow goes to ligand from the metal, so it denoted that the some kind of give and take. So the ligand gave the electron to the metal. Okay, so where n represent the number of lone pairs accepted by the central metal ion from the ligand, and X is the charge on the metal complex, which may be positive or negative or even a zero, which is a neutral complexes. Okay, all the element of these series from complexes with variety of ligands. Okay, you can see the example of first transition series metal elements combines with the various ligands and make the complexes. Okay, so the elements of these series form stable complexes with the nitrogen, oxygen and halogen donor ligands. Okay, next is a coordination number. What is a coordination number? Okay, here you can see uh, the coordination number is simply a number of the ligand participating in the formation of the complex formation. Okay, so the number of what is a coordination number? The number of ligands. It can be ligands can be monodentate, tridentate, bidentate. You will learn it in a other lectures. Okay, so the number of the ligands directly attached to the central metal ion, or approximately the number of the lone pair of the electron accepted by the central metal ion, or ion from the ligand, which is mono as well as polydentate, in the process of the formation of the complexes, is known as a coordination number, which is also denoted as a C dot N dot, okay, of a metal. In the above example, like coordination number of Ag plus 2 ion is 2, that is of copper plus 2 is 4. You can see in that Ag plus 2 2. The example is Ag has a 2 ammonium 2 ammonia ligand. Okay, the second is copper plus 2 has a 4 coordination number. Okay, you can see copper NH3 whole 4, it has a 4 ammonia ligand molecule. Now the chromium plus 3, nickel plus 2 and copper plus 3 and cobalt plus 2 and iron plus 3 iron has a 6 coordination number. Here you can see in the complexes chromium, iron, nickel, cobalt. Okay, the 6 ligands are present in the complex. So this is the coordination number for the complexes. The central metal ion and the attached ligand are kept within the sphere, which is as a square bracket called as a coordination sphere. With the polydentate ligand, the metal ion or ions from the ring type complexes are known as a chelates. Okay, meaning the it is like a crown like a structure. Okay, so the geometry for particular the geometry is relate with the coordination number of the any compo in any complexes. Okay, so on the behalf of a coordination number, geometry varies. Okay, the coordination number 2 has a linear geometry like CO plus and Ag plus complexes has a linear geometry. Next, if the coordination number is 4, the geometry is tetrahedral for Mn plus 2, cobalt plus 2, Fe plus 2, nickel plus 2, copper plus 2 complexes. Okay, so This kind of metal combines with the weak ligands, which is a H2O, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like this. The MnCl4 minus 2 is an example for the tetrahedral complexes having coordination number 4. Also in a coordination number 4 we have another geometry which is a square planar. Okay, nickel plus 2. Here you can see nickel plus 2 also show the tetrahedral structure, and nickel plus 2 also show the square structure. But there is a difference between the ligand, nature of the ligand. In a tetrahedral structure, the nickel combines with the weak ligands, and in a square planar complexes, nickel combines with the strong ligands. Okay, so these are some example like cyanide, ammonium, en, methylene diamine, DMG are some of the example of the strong ligands. Okay, then with the coordination number 6 we have the octahedral structure like chromium plus 2, chromium plus 3, Mn plus 2, iron plus 2, iron plus 3, cobalt plus 2, cobalt plus 3, nickel plus 2 complexes. Okay, with weak as well as strong field ligand, they make the octahedral complexes. Okay, it may be recalled that the octahedral complexes of the metal ion with the weak field ligand are outer orbital and also called as a high spin complexes involving sp3d2 hybridization, and those with the strong field ligands are inner orbital, also known as a low spin complexes. The central ion undergo in D2sp3 hybridization. So student, this is the coordination number and the geometry of the first transition series element of D block element. Okay, thank you very much.